We are in the right track. We are walking in the right way. May God bless you all the freedom fighters all over the world. May God bless you all. May God strengthen you all. May the will of the Almighty God be done in your life. May God bless you all. May God bless you all. I miss you guys since 2 days or 3 days now. I miss you guys so much. May God bless you all. May God bless you all. Yes, we have something to, I have something to say this evening to tell my people, especially my Edo people, especially my Godomigodo people. I love you guys so much. We, the freedom fighter, we love you guys so much. Nnamdi Kanu love you guys so much. Nnamdi Kanu don't have anything to drag with nobody, with Robo, with Ijo, with Tisha, with Bini or whatever. Nnamdi Kanu don't have anything to drag with you. All Nnamdi Kanu want for us is just for us to have peaceful, the way America have it, the way British have it, the way Germany have it, the way so many people have it all over the world. We will have life 24 hours, no stopping. Then we will have a good road. When our children finish their school, then we walk. Then we employ them. There is a lot of job assisting the single women, the old women, the old men, the people that finish their education, people that are not working, the cripple and the deaf and deaf, all those people, they are helping them in Europe here. There is a school they built for them. There is a lot of things. They even get money. They even earn money more than the people that have a normal body, normal people that doesn't have anything. Aggregate in Europe, I don't know the name they call it, all these e-Besa children, they receive good money more than the normal people, that children that are healthy like our children. They receive money. If they are giving other children, the normal children, like 250, but they are giving all those people 600, 800 for one child. All those e-Besa, all those crippled children. I'm not mocking them. I'm not joking with them. I don't that I'm criticize them. In my own country, when you have children that's e-Besa, you cannot talk in any other. If you are talking, I say, shut up. You that have a e-Besa child, then we use it to mock you. Then we use it to bring you down. But in Europe, if you see the way they are doing them, if you see the way they are protecting those children, those life, those care, those life that matters, that is what Nnamdi Kanu is telling us. This is what Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for. Nnamdi Kanu is not coming to come and take your land or take your post or take your traditional whatever. Nnamdi Kanu is a king. You guys know. So he is not against all those things, but oppressing those who don't have. You are oppressing those who don't have. That is what Nnamdi Kanu don't want. Just look at British now, what they are doing. And look at America now, what they are doing. When they kidnap our girls, America hear it. No, all the whole world hear it that they kidnap our girl, which is about 300 girls. They no bring soldier come, they fish this Boko Haram who kidnap those girls out. You listen to me. British no load their soldier that let them go and bring all those girls so that they will be safe. But only one America they kidnap. Only one America. They come with full force. And their president tell them that bring that their citizen alive, not dead. They have to bring it alive. They have to bring it alive. They don't want to see that their citizen dead. Do you know that they send their people, their soldiers, their warrior soldiers that go to war they can never lose? Then send it to Nigeria, to Africa. And then save that person without no injury, and bring it back to their president the way he sent them. Look at Idian killing our son. Idian killing our son because of his own money, because of his own sweat, because of his own money. Indian in Nigeria, they worship them like God. They give them the maximum respect, the normal respect. Nothing touch them. But look at the way they are doing to our people, killing them with their own money, using stick. All of them don't see the video now. All of them don't see the video. And nothing our leaders will say about it. Nothing they will do about it. You guys see it live video. He doesn't commit any crime. You think we will have our Biafra? Things like that will happen to our children? You think we will take it easy with them? My dear, you don't reason the reason why all of them, they are against Biafra. You don't know the reason why they are all of them, they are saying no to Biafra. You don't understand it. If you understand it, this is not the time to do asabo to nobody, to be racist to nobody. This is the time we need to forget the heaviness and the jealousy in us to make sure we support Nnamdi Kanu for the movement of Biafra. Don't you see people that kidnap students, kidnap children from school? British and America don't help Nigeria Zoo to go and look for them, to go and kill them and destroy them. A land of peaceful, a land of business, a land of working so hard. They don't care whatever Lamajiri taking from our land. That is the land, the people that decide, the killing and raping is too much. We don't need this thing to our people. People that have a godly heart. People that know that I need to protect my people. Those are the people British said that. Those are the people America said that. This is the time they want to offer the soldier to fight their problem. This is the time they know that they want to give the soldier to fight the terrorists in Nigeria. People that kidnap 300 get till now, the 300 guests, they are not yet released them. They kidnap students that day, then demand money. Of recent now, they kidnap again, which is almost 3 or 4 times now. They not deploy soldier. They not hire soldier. They not call British, make them come. Janjaweed British. They not call America thief, Maricon people, America people. Obama, oh, then they fuck all of them for nyash. No. Now they want orphan police soldier to zoo. As far as the original citizen of Nigeria, they come, they cannot kill us. The foreigner also, they can never kill us. They can never know the way to come and kill us. As all of them come, we will surprise all of them. All of them will die in Biafra land. The Lord will destroy all of them. I thought that women, they have a good heart. When they are saying the ambassador of America, or by any name, the ambassador, I don't know how they call them, of America, of British, I thought that they are men. I thought that they are men. I don't know they are women.